Hello and welcome to my channel. I would like to show you today the RHS Color chart, which is used to make measurements on color measurements on plants for registration purposes. So here is the box when it arrives. It's a 2019 reprint of the 2015 edition, and the charts are in this box, and you can see that there is a short note about how to use it in English, in Dutch, in French, in Spanish. I believe it's Spanish, German, and I suppose it's Chinese and Japanese. And there are 4 different charts, and they have also, in the beginning of the chart, there is a short explanation on how to use it, and you can see the colors. And there's a hole in a plate because you can match it to a plant. So I think it's quite interesting and nice. And there are also color codes and a color name, so it makes it easier to reference a color, so all plant people in the world can speak the same language, at least in terms of colors. And at the RHS Lily Group, we are planning to make a short presentation later this year, how to use a color chart and how to register a lily. And if you like to know more, you can join us, and there will be a link in the description below. So thank you very much for your attention. If you find this video interesting and you learned something, you can like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment, and I thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.